famous for a subtype known as contamination OCD. Many people recognize that this is when people are obsessively hand washing, for example. However, there are many other subtypes of OCD that aren't contamination oriented. In this video, I'd like to introduce some of the other common subtypes of OCD. One is harm OCD. This is the obsessive fear that we will hurt ourselves or someone else, or that harm will befall someone that we love. So this usually presents with intrusive images, gory thoughts, this belief that something awful is going to happen, and sometimes that it'll be at our hand that it occurs. Another common subtype of OCD is morality OCD. This is also known as moral scrupulosity. This is where we are obsessed and compulsive about being the best possible person, the most religious person, the most kind person. In this subtype of OCD, morality takes on very rigid definitions, and a person can truly be tortured thinking that they're not good enough. Another common subtype of OCD is perfectionism. This means everything needs to be 100% right. Things need to be checked, triple checked, quadruple checked, because any sort of error can be devastating. And finally, another very common subtype of OCD is control OCD. This is a terrifying feeling that you're going to someday lose control, go crazy, do something that you can't imagine yourself actually doing, but in control OCD, these dangerous, probable, possible actions start to feel probable. And so when you feel out of control in the big picture, you start to control a lot of small things. This form of OCD can involve being hypervigilant and actually trying to make other people around you basically comply with your control needs.